Oh, people, welcome to our hour. Cool man 690 on here. There's a mole dead, and I can't show it to you. I don't want YouTube to get a strike on me. I'm gonna teach you how to tear a battery up. That's a battery pack, 6 volts. It should have worked, but it's dead. It's been there for a long time in my case. Now I'm going to teach you how to bash it up. We need some tools we need to take apart, right? First we need this pair of pliers, a hammer. That's what we need, people. And a battery pack. That's what we need, right? She's trying to eat the mole. That's okay. It's alright, baby girl. Would you eat the mole? It's okay. She's scared of noises and ice. She don't like anything. She ate the mole. That's her fault. Alright, people. Excuse me, baby girl. First, we need battery pack, right? You know what? Let's do it. It's safe. From the cat. Don't get chopped out of the head. Oh my god, that's just... Oh god, it hurts. It's freaking hurt. People hurt. My knees. Let's do it in the garage.
Hey.
Huh?
Recording?
Yeah.
Right now you're recording? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
What do you want? It's okay with that.
Well, that's good.
Alright. You need help anything?
No, you're good.
I was going to teach my people how to open a battery pack.
Alright, be careful and blow yourself up.
It's not going to blow up, but it's old.
Alright.
Just watch my video.
Alright, well, be sure you wash your hands after. You don't want no battery acid on your hands.
I know.
Alright, buddy.
Alright, good night. Alright, people. We're on safety. Uh-oh. There's Billy. That's what we need, people. Alright. Alright. What the heck? What do you think you're doing? Alright. That's our battery. You want to use pliers. I bust this sucker open. This battery should not work. Hold this up. Oh, great. People ignore that. I don't like that. It's silly dog. Where the first is open here. Alright, people. I see a crack in there. Bugs. People, I don't like bugging my face. What? Alright, people, it's coming open. It should be working. First, we have to open this up with this tool. Yes. There we go. Alright, people. That's what it looks like. It's still fine. The battery's safe to touch. See, people? That's what's inside a battery pack. The 6 volts. All these corrosion's been in there for a long time. Alright, let's pull these wires out. Okay. Oh my god. Look, people, it still works. The battery is still safe. The old version, this is a new version. What are you doing, baby girl? You're not supposed to be on camera. I'll show you. God, people, this is hard to pull. Are you kidding me, right? There's a plug. Dang on nabbit. Look, people. Oh god, that again. That's the battery. Take a look of it. Just take your time. Shoo, god, the battery's stuck. Oh, come on now, bugs. This is how you get into a battery, people. All that stuff is... That's just gonna be our project, people. Alright, people, put this plug away. Alright. Let's unplug this. There we go. We're gonna plug that. Alright. These plugs are... What's wrong? She's right here, people. Hey, no. Get out. That battery's dangerous. That thing will blow you up. I'm not being mean to her, I'll just ask her nicely to leave. Daggone nabbit, people. This battery has been there for years. Alright, people, that be it for you guys. That's our review of the battery. That's what it looks like, people. A piece of battery came out. Alright, people, subscribe to my channel if you're new. I might upload this video tonight before it rains tomorrow. Make sure you get your batteries charged up. It's going to rain in this area. Alright? I don't know how many percentage it's going to be. It's a bad idea. Remember, people, those batteries could electrocute you. Goodbye, people. That's it for you guys, and see you later.